On a 30, 60, 90 triangle, the small side is x. The medium side is whatever x is, square root of 3. And the large side is 2x. So notice that 8 is double what x is. So if 8 is this side and it's double, it's twice x, this one has to be 4. And if this is 4, then I go to here and this is going to be 4. Change the x for 4 square root of 3. So in this case, x equals 4 and y equals 4 square root of 3. You can also use so this would be, you can use your trigonometric ratios, which is tangent, sine, and cosine, to figure this out. But this is probably the easiest way to figure that one out. All right, let's go to number 8. On number 8, they want ratios. They do not want the angle. Don't find the angle A, don't find angle B. All they want you to do is find their ratios. In other words, leave them as fractions. And let's read carefully. They want the sine of A, cosine of A, and tangent of A. And in ratios, so the sine of A, and look on my board. On the left side of the board, I have my trig tables, or trig ratios. And it says sine of A is opposite, which is this, over hypotenuse, which is this. Now, the only thing you have to remember here is to simplify. So on here, go ahead and take out half from both of these. So if you divide this by 2, you're going to get square root of 42. And you divide this by 2, you're going to get square root of 11. That is the simplified ratio. Now, cosine of A. Cosine of A is adjacent over hypotenuse. Well, that's simple. No reducing necessary there, so we're done. And then the tangent of angle A is adjacent, which is 19, over 2 square root of 42. Now that's a problem because we have the radical at the bottom. So what I'm going to allow you guys to do, so we don't get really involved in this, we will later on in the class, but not today. Go ahead and write this as 19, and then let's find out the square root of 42. So I'm going to go 42 square root and multiply that by 2. And I'm going to get 12.9. We'll call it 13. And now divide 19 by 13, or you can leave it there. It's up to you guys. All right. On number 9, the same thing. We want to find the sine of angle A. The sine of angle A, opposite over hypotenuse. Don't forget to simplify. Divide them both by 2. Cosine of A, adjacent over hypotenuse. Don't forget to simplify. The 7 and the 12, of course, you can't do that, but this one's inside. When you have radicals, I like to think of this, reduce the outside with the outside. So this could be like a 1 right here. And divide this by 3 is a 4. And the tangent of A would be